Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to change the camera resolution, the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if it is highlighted and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see right at the top, we've got the panel which is connected with the resolution. So here we've got 4 different options from which you can choose: 720p with 30 frames per second, and the same option for the 4K, and we've got 2 different 1080p options, and the only difference is in frames per second, so we've got 30 or 60. So basically currently we've got this option applied, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option "Like to use." And as you can see right now, it is highlighted, which means that your device will use it when it will be recording the video. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.